Favorite thing about the job?
Oh, a favorite thing.
Or just anything with the pool business?
There's two things actually.
Okay.
As a mom, not just a pool mom, but just a mom in general, having children, I'm able to make my schedule so that I can still be a mom. I can go to their school events. I can go to their awards, their sports games, things like that. I only have one that really has any of those things anymore. But when the other two were little, I was able to do that. And that was important for me because at an 8-to-5 job.
And still make a living.
Yeah. I would have to call in, take off from work, go back in, and then you're not getting paid when you do that. So that's one thing, is just a personal level that I really care about this industry, that it allows me to do.
You've got flexibility.
Yes,
obviously.
For sure.
That's a big deal. Yeah.
The other part is just the camaraderie that we have within most of the industry. We want to help each other. We are there for each other when somebody needs help. If they get sick, they go down, they go on vacation, there's a problem that they don't know. There's that network of other individuals that we can rely on and call and get their knowledge for. And we're not so much competitors as we are colleagues.
Comrades.
Yes.
Maybe that's
I love that part of the industry. Yes, there are some that say, I can't give you my information because that's my information. I worked hard to get it. But why? What does that benefit?
So that leads me to, if you were going to give advice to somebody coming into this industry, somebody's just starting to do pools.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
If it's a one thing you were going to tell somebody, what would it be?
It's something that we mention in Pool Girl Pros as well, and why I'm part of the Pool Girl Pros and the co-founder of it with Kelly.
Yes,
we'll get to that next.
That's the next thing. We're going to talk about that.
It ties into it, is that find your network of people. There are those out there that want to help you. There are those of you, not them, but us, that want to help you out as well and be just as knowledgeable as we are and just as successful as we are as well.
Yes.
And we're not enemies. We are comrades. We are friends. We are a family.
Yes.
In this industry. So find that.
Yeah.
Start with people.
Come together now.
Yes, come together.
People.
Find that. Start with distribution and say, hey, maybe they're not in electrical. They want to get there. Who will be able to help me? Who can be a mentor to me in the areas that they want to and they need to be mentored? There are them out there. And the best place to start is those in distribution. They know everybody, and they will know who is willing to help, who is not willing to help, and point you in the right direction. Go to the classes, go to the trade shows, talk to people in your area, talk to people outside of your area, and become friends with them, because you never know when they might need you or you might need them.